He a real one. He a real one. Gang a real.
Can't find no cameraman, so what we gotta do? Yeah, like he can't be my cameraman, so I gotta pimp him.
So sorry, bro.
I gotta.
I love and support you to death, though. I swear I do.
But listen, though, I got the flip.
It don't need to be you. It be these. Hey, come in my car and get some drinks. Where's my phone? Come on.
It might be in the car.
In the car.
I'm finna be walking down though with the flip phone, boy. Stop. Go to. Police trying to shut it down, man.
What's wrong with them, man? They can't stop a slime.
Real talk. Why they trying to shut it down? Hold up. Hey, walk down on something right now if you really living like that. If you really could. Right, let me get bigger. Let me get Lord Slime in up. Big P. The biggest thing. Now we gotta walk. Now you gotta walk down on something.
Hey, you know Pop Dubay? Hey, Pop Dubay, OG Slime.
OG Slime. Man, we still outside, bro. Ain't stopping shit though. What a bag is? I put it over there. I done found me a cameraman, now we lit, man. Hey, say friend, come here real quick. Hey, let me take your picture real quick on my phone.
Hell nah,
let me take your picture real quick on my phone.
She don't look that damn.
Look. Hey, listen, don't touch my phone unless you gonna put your number in it. You gonna put your number in here?
You can't do nothing with me, baby.
I'm saying this my booty call. Hello, you wanna know who you talking to right now. Put your number in there and I'm gonna show you what I can do with you. Why you doing that? Why you doing that with this phone? What I gotta pull out an iPhone to get your number?
You must tell your friends some of it. No. Why not?
Man, she finna put her number over here. Don't put your number over here.
No, I'm not.
What's wrong with the flip? What's wrong with the flip phone? What's wrong with the flip phone, man?
Look how this nigga trying to get
She too lit. She can't even talk. Put the number up in there though. I'm saying, man, don't play my phone like that, man. That's my trap phone. What's up? Hey, stop messing on my phone like that, man. Hey, listen, hold up here. Come here. Listen. Hey, listen. You can't record it.
I know what skinny ass ain't trying to go.
Hey, listen.
Why you got that flip phone out here? And yes, my skinny ass trying to joke whoever just said
Listen,
that.
bro.
Let me see it.
Stop playing. Hey, don't be grabbing out of my phone.
Look at this nigga phone.
Y'all ain't gonna put y'all number in there?
Oh, God. Look at this.
Hey, come here. I know. Damn, what she got to do with her?
Look at this phone.
We trapping that finesse.
Oh my God, turn the camera around.
I know you gonna put your number in there though.
Yeah, man, let me put my number in here.
Yeah, she gonna put her number in there. Stop playing. Hold on, watch out. Watch out, I'm securing the bag right now. Watch out. Don't put your, just start typing it up in there.
It ain't gonna work.
Niggas.
Many. Hold on, how I go back?
Don't worry about all that. Unlimited minute, man. This exclusive. Oh yeah, go ahead and type that up in there for me.
Go ahead, Bree. Go ahead. Why you got me typing into this
What's your name?
flip phone?
Cause I'm finna call you, real. Nice to meet you,
Why you
real.
ain't got no phone?
I do got a, hey, don't be touching that. You might touch something. I do got a phone. This is my booty call phone right here.
What, nigga ain't no booty call? Like, nigga, you ain't your shit.
Nah, don't do all that. I'm just joking with you.
That wasn't even her,
Nah,
so don't do all of that.
Say something.
Nah,
You got a dick in your head?
I gotta whip out the iPhone for her though. I gotta put her number in the iPhone. I know. 2 minutes. Nah, we done secured the bag though, man. You know how I get, man. We gonna turn up every time on this. Now I'm finna get some more.
I ain't get these ugly ass hoes on my face.
Scared, bruh. I'm finna get some more though, man. We lit. On game, we lit. Damn, bro, they tripping. Hey, I'm finna give me another one. Hold up, come back over here. Keep it rolling, keep me rolling, keep me rolling.
This is no sign.
Hey, different.
I don't want nobody gone. You know, we done been through so much, nigga, you can't stop us. No. Hey, this is my song.
What up, man? Who you out here with? Y'all boy be safe. What's up with y'all? Safe, Fred? I don't think they can hear me.
You gotta say, I got a YouTube channel.
Hey, what's up?
Go right there.
All right here. Hey, what's good with y'all? What's up with y'all? What's up? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Now I can't get no doubt. What's your name, friend? Why you hiding behind your friend? Damn, why you hiding behind your friend like that? Hey, what's up? Hey, I can take y'all a picture real quick though. I can take y'all a picture. What you mean? Hey, come here. Hey. What's up? Hey, what's wrong with the flip phone? What's wrong with the flip phone? A man can't have a hustle, you feel me? I'm from the church, man. I'm just trying to get out of the mud, man. Gotta start out slow. But we got.
You ain't goddamn bad. I ain't gonna lie. You can use
I'm
my
down
phone,
bad
man.
like that. Man, we back at it, man. Hey, man, they didn't try to stop us, man. Turn us down, man. Slide over here, though. Man, we're good, friend. Damn. I don't even think I can get some numbers now. They done start shooting and shit. Motherfucker scared now. Oh, I ain't got enough numbers up in here, bro.
Nigga, get the shoot.
He don't even know
I
what
don't
he
know,
got.
but y'all know what's going on. I just edit that part out. Where the keys at? My pocket. You heard me? In my pocket. I'm driving. Nope. I got it? Nope. You one of them, bro.
Ninjas mess everything up. I like black folks, but I don't like ninjas.
Bye, have a great time.